Well, it's time to upgrade these handguards. Let's get these off and make room for the new ones. The new ones are wraparound style, so we'll have to drill out the ends. Now I'll install the handlebar bracket. We'll just do it loose for now. Now we'll install expanding bar end assembly. And now we can tighten everything down on this side. Now we'll move on to the throttle side. This side's a little trickier because the throttle has to move. Now we'll install the expanding bar end assembly on this side. Now we can install the bar bracket. The throttle was sticking, so I had to pull it back off and cut more off the grip. Still needs a little more adjusting. That should work. Let's tighten it all down. Alright, those look much better. Now, back to that jump.